Welcome back to StorX. Have important files stored in Google Drive? What if you could back them up securely and restore them anytime with just a few clicks? In this video, we'll show you how to upload and restore your Google Drive data using StorX. Quickly, securely, and effortlessly. Let's get started. First, log into your StorX dashboard. From the side navigation bar, go to Backups and then select Manual Backup. Click on Connect Google Account, select the account you want to connect, and grant the necessary access. Now you can see the option for Google Drive. Click on Google Drive. Once connected, your Google Drive files and folders will appear on the screen. Now simply select the files or folders you want to back up. After selecting them, click Upload. StorX will now securely upload your selected files to decentralized storage. Once you see the success notification, refresh or reload the page to continue. Next, navigate to the Vault section. Open the Google Drive Vault, where your uploaded files are securely stored. Here, you'll see the files you previously backed up. To restore your files, select the files you want to recover. Choose the Google account where you'd like the files to be restored, and click Continue. After the confirmation message appears, your files will be successfully restored back to your Google Drive. And that's it. With StorX, backing up and restoring your Google Drive data is simple, secure, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing StorX. See you in the next video.